transforming your everyday cooking, family meal prep, and weekend baking into a streamlined, high-tech culinary experience without dealing with crowded baskets or constant food flipping. Usually means transitioning to an advanced, wide-format smart air fryer. The Typhur Dome 2 Large AI Smart Air Fryer, 15-in-1 dual heating, self-cleaning system, redefines countertop cooking by combining professional-grade thermal engineering, expansive flat surface capacity, and intelligent automation. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its 360-degree dual heating architecture paired with independent top and bottom heating elements and dual temperature sensors. Instead of relying solely on a top heating coil and forcing you to constantly shake or flip your food, this system mimics professional pizza ovens to deliver uniform heat distribution across its entire surface, cutting cooking times down by up to 30%. Performance and everyday versatility streamline family dinners, quick snacks, and multi-course prep. Outfitted with an extra-wide 5.6-quart flat ceramic basket, the unit easily accommodates a full 12-inch pizza, 32 chicken wings in a single layer, or a dozen muffins without overcrowding. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by a whisper-quiet brushless motor operating at roughly 51 to 55 dB, 15 versatile cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, roast, pizza, dehydrate, and griddle. An industry-first self-cleaning mode designed to break down upper cavity grease with high heat, and smart app integration featuring adjustable fan speeds and Typhur AI recipe generation. Things to consider before you buy countertop footprint. Because of its uniquely wide, low-profile design built to host a 12-inch pizza pan or single-layer batches, it occupies a larger, horizontal surface area than traditional deep, vertical basket-style air fryers. Active app control dependency. While fully functional via its intuitive touchscreen, unlocking granular features like custom fan speed adjustments and AI-assisted recipe tracking requires pairing with a companion mobile app. So, who is this really for? This large-format smart air fryer is an absolute home run for families, home bakers, and cooking enthusiasts who want single-layer capacity big enough for a whole pizza or crowd-sized wings, whisper-quiet operation, and dual heating precision without needing to constantly flip food. If you are looking for a compact, ultra-tall dual basket machine for segregated side dishes, or have minimal counter space to spare, a different appliance layout will better match your kitchen. Is it worth the money? If you value professional dual-element heating, a wide single-layer 12-inch pizza capacity, PFAS-free non-toxic ceramic surfaces, whisper-quiet brushless performance, and smart AI app connectivity wrapped into a 15-in-1 appliance, it is a premier, luxury investment for upgrading your daily meal prep.